when you see the web series, you will see that Harshad Mehta was against a clan, right? जिनको हम bear operators भी movie में इनको बोला गया है, ठीक है? And again, supposedly so, the writers and producers have not said it, but everyone is contemplating that there is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala in it, there's Manu Manik in it, there's RK Damani in it, right? Again, the producer and the show have not said it. This is what we are assuming. अब बात करते हैं, let's assume कि जो हम assume कर रहे हैं that's true, ठीक है? Now you see this video, ठीक है? I had given a video on the worst interview, stock market interview ever, wherein Prabhu Chawla was interviewing Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and the interview was really bizarre. ठीक है? So I made a video on it, and this video had about 10,000 views in it. For me and my channel, that's a very good rate. But this video had around 7 to 8,000, 10,000 views in it. But just from the last week, this video from 10,000 views has jumped up to 55,000 views. Why is that? Right? And you see, open that video after this video and you see the comment section, people are abusing. Abbe tu kaun hai? Why the hell are you saving Rakesh Jhunjhunwala? Rakesh Jhunjhunwala chor hai. He's a manipulator. He ruined Harshad Mehta. He did this. He did that. Right? And I can't do but laugh all these things. Ab logically socho, are you so emotionally weak? सबसे पहली चीज, if yes, the entire web series were made from a Harshad Mehta point of view, where his family was shown, right, where his personal identity was shown, he as a person was shown, that is why you are emotionally connected to Harshad Mehta and you feel bad for him and you think Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is a villain, right? I'm just assuming if all the assumptions are correct. अगर सब बोल रहे हैं वो Rakesh Jhunjhunwala ही है web series में, so let's assume that, ठीक है, he's the villain. Are you serious? यार, if you're so emotionally weak, no, then leave stock market, because stock market is not a place for you. If you can be emotionally swayed just by a film. Now, let me tell you, on the other hand, if suppose I make a movie on Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, where I show Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's family, I show Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's personal side, I show that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala was in a clan and they used to do normal things and they used to were working in the normal capacity. There came a man, Harshad Mehta, who manipulated the markets, who used that system which was going on, and he overused that system to over-manipulate things. And Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the entire clan were near zero. I'm just quoting as per what people are assuming. Okay? And his family is sad, and background music is playing around that family. Then who's the villain? Then you would say Harshad Mehta is the villain. Buddy, there is no villain. Sabse pehli cheez, we don't know the facts. If you're thinking that web series is completely accurate, come on, are you kidding me? It's not, right? It's also based on some source, and that source also cannot be accurate. It might be close to that, but you cannot say for 100% that it is completely accurate. Nobody knows about it. The true figures, the true idea, no one knows about it. Now, why are you saying that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is a villain and people are treating RK Damani as a villain? Why? Why? Because in that film you see Harshad Mehta's family suffering. In the other hand, if you see their family suffering, then Harshad Mehta would be the villain. So stop thinking like this. Stop getting into ridiculous politics that this person was a bear operator, he was a bull operator, he did this, oh my god. Are you please, don't. I want you to put your attention in stock markets, not in stupid politics, because no one knows what happened there. Right? Again, I'm not saying that Harshad Mehta is a villain. I'm not saying that. Why? If you think logically, now think very logically. Harshad Mehta was wrong. He did manipulate the markets. He did manipulate the system. He took advantage of that system. Right? But he became a scapegoat. A lot of other people should have had been punished with Harshad Mehta. Harshad Mehta alone did not do anything. Harshad Mehta was alone, he did not do anything. He became a scapegoat. I agree. He was wrong, but he was not to be blamed for the entire system. Who's right, who's wrong depends on your perception. So, सबसे पहली चीज ये, I know it, I'm not comparing past to the present here, but this is something I really wanted to put out there. ठीक है? That don't villainize anyone. Don't think that that person is a villain. Nobody's a villain. It's the situation is like that. Right or wrong is just the way you look at it.